If you're experiencing issues with the PUBG update getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem and successfully install the update. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to load other online services. Step 2. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve update issues and allow the installation to continue. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're on a console or PC, clear the cache of the game. For consoles, this can usually be done by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC, you may need to clear temporary files related to the game. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming platform PC, Xbox, PlayStation has the latest system updates installed. Outdated systems can cause compatibility issues with game updates. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall PUBG. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Following these steps should help you resolve the issue with the PUBG update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.